To understand, I actually, big focus of this podcast has always been, above all with companies that are running robotics in traditional businesses, is trying to understand how the business model has been chosen, and also how that choice has been informed by and why, right? So what are the factors that are behind that?
Yeah, so I think it's definitely a good time to ask that question, because we can refer back to some of the conversation we've been having. So the way we operate a subscription model, because the value we bring to our customers is done through our software platform, through DexReview. Like we were discussing, the robots are this incredible, the best way of capturing the data, capturing the information. But realistically, they need to be so good from a technological point of view, from a technical perspective, that they become invisible to the day-to-day operation. The way we drive value, the way we bring value to our customers is through our software platform, through DexReview, through the digital twin platform. So the business model also needs to reflect that. We operate a subscription model, so customers, we have a contract with our customers, and then they pay us to subscribe to DexReview, to the software. We will then go and install the robots. We'll make sure that everything works for them. And obviously, we take a contractual commitment to be able to provide that information to deliver the value to them. But realistically, how this came to be was based on a lot of conversation with the market. So understanding what's needed to encourage and drive fast adoption, and is not trying to charge people huge amounts of money up front, is making sure that you have a model that allows them to have an easy decision making, to embrace the technology, and it allows us to continuously drive and return value. And in the future, when we have new modules, when we have new versions of our technology, because it's a subscription model, we can work with our customers and say, hey, we could give you an upgrade, we could offer some additional value, we could offer some additional modules. It's very, very similar to what you have with pretty much any software platform, right? You start with something, in 2 years' time, we're going to be able to bring a completely different level of product proposition. You want to make sure that you set up that distribution channel to lend itself to that. So fine, you acquire data with similar type of robot, that's totally fine. But then being able to bring the latest artificial intelligence, the latest algorithms, the latest interfaces, and ways of extracting value from the data sets, from the information you're gathering, that's one of the most important things. You want to future-proof that business model. You want to make sure that you have something that you can work with now, but very importantly, you have something that scales with you as a business, and something that will work in the future as well.
It's interesting because you haven't mentioned any fee for the robots. So you're pretending like your robots are free within the customer's premises, right?
Nothing is ever free in life, right?